I talked about this on the show, I think a couple of years ago, right? Like when I was sued by a family, and I can talk about it now because the suit's done and everything. I was sued by a family who wasn't even a family. I was a hospitalist doctor, so not even my patient. They just came into the hospital, and the family non-compliant, smoker, everything, right? You know, worse, like just cardiovascular disease to the wazoo, right? And they came in with stroke-related symptoms. And I was saying, and I had to convince the family not to leave the hospital to the point where I had to call one of their family members and say, hey, like mom's trying to leave the hospital. I don't think this should be the case. Do you know that they still sued me after the fact, right? It was like 4 years later, 3 or 4 years later, but they still sued me, right? I wasn't their primary care doctor, right? I wasn't their emergency room doctor. I was a doctor who convinced them to stay, took care of them during the whole time frame. 4 years later, I got sued.